Welcome to our video about our Lesson 3 questions for the cycling of life. Question 1. What is the main idea of this section? Summarize the key points in 2 or 3 sentences. Remember, it's our overarching idea, not just the examples that are used. So the main idea of Section 3 is that all organisms have life cycles, and there is a pattern to all life cycles because they all include birth, growth, and reproduction and death. However, life cycles are different in how each organism moves through those stages. Question 2. What examples are used in the text to support the main idea of the section? The text compares the life cycle of a flowering plant, a dog, and a frog. For each of these life cycles begins with birth and then moves through growth, reproduction, and death. However, there are significant differences. For examples, frogs go through metamorphosis, which means they have a very different body when they are born than they do when they are adults. And a dog's body when they are born is going to look very similar to what it looks like as an adult, just on a smaller scale. Question 3. How does Section 3 relate to Section 2? Section 3 relates to Section 2 because Section 2 focused on the structures that plants have to help them access what they need to survive. If plants didn't have those structures, they would not be able to complete their life cycle. And question 4. How does the text explain the relationship between changes a frog's body structures undergo and the changes in its environment? The text explains the relationship between the changes a frog's body structures undergo and its environment by exploring how specific body structures allow it to survive in its particular environment. For example, tadpoles are fish-like creatures that can breathe underwater using gills and their skin. They grow tails, which they can use to swim. Those structures are completely changed during metamorphosis because frogs spend most of their time on land. They need structures that will help them survive on land, such as strong legs for jumping and lungs for breathing oxygen. Now that you've completed Section 3's questions and have done all 3 sections in this unit, go ahead and review the Unit 4 vocabulary again and any of the materials from this unit to help you prepare for your tests. Check out the video for Unit 4 vocabulary to help you out.